Hello everyone, welcome back to the final episode of How to Light Up LED Module series. We've already covered popular systems like NovaStar, Linson, and Colorlight. And it's time to talk about HUIDU. And I'm going to show you how to light up LED module using the HUIDU system. Please prepare these devices before operation. Step 1. Connect all devices. Using an HDMI cable to connect the computer to the sending box. Use an RJ54 cable to connect the sending box to the receiver cord. Power the receiving cord with the 5V cable. Use the flat cable to connect the module and the receiving cord. Power the module with the 5V cable. Step 2. Use HDPlayer to light up the module. Connect the computer to the sending box Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi name corresponds to the sending box module. The Wi-Fi password is 88. Set the computer's display mode to duplicate and scaling to 100%. Open HDPlayer. Here you can see that the sending box has been detected, indicating a successful Wi-Fi connection. There is no hardware setting function in standard version. You need to switch to professional version here. Now let's access hardware setting. Password 168. Select the sending box. Then click here. Enter the receiving cord parameters interface. Enter the smart setting. Select a full color. Enter the cabinet pixels here, but since we are using a single module, the module pixel should be entered here instead. Enter the horizontal pixel of the module here. Select the chip mode of the module. Select the decoding of the module. Select according to the actual scanning method of the module. Switch the color and we can observe that the module's actual display is consistent with the selected color. So we can move on the next step now. Enter the actual number of little rows of the module. The system has automatically completed the pixel routing. And we can observe that the module is fully lit and displayed correctly. The module has now been successfully lit up. Now you can click Mapping. We've successfully set up the module parameters. And that's all. Thank you for watching the whole series. See you in the next one. I'm Nancy.